friends, welcome to my grammar channel. In the previous video we have studied kinds of phrases: noun phrase, adjective phrase and adverb phrase. In this video we are going to study kinds of clauses. There are same kinds of phrases and clauses are same: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. In phrases, group of word is there which doesn't make complete sense, but in clauses it has its own subject and predicate and which gives us complete sense. Let's see the difference between noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Noun clause. A noun clause is a group of words which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of noun. Noun phrase does the work of noun. The same way noun clause also does the work of noun. And in the previous videos we have studied how to identify noun clause. When we ask question to the verb before or after, we are getting subject or we are getting the noun in the place of that word. If phrase or clause is there, then we verify them as phrase and clause. Let's go through the example. You will see, you will understand by it. Before that, some conjunctions which join the noun clause are that, which, who, what, when, where, why, if, whether, whom, whose, how. There it is not that when this conjunction comes then it is noun clause. There are sometimes these words may help you to identify noun clause. Examples: what he says is doubtful. Here what he says is a clause. What he says is doubtful. Before this verb you ask question what is doubtful? What he says, it is subordinate clause. What he says is subordinate clause, and subordinate clauses are having kinds: adverb clause, adjective clause and noun clause. Main clause doesn't have any kind. Main clause stands of its for meaning, it has its own meaning, main clause, but subordinate clause depends on main clause for its meaning, and that subordinate clause has three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. So what he says is subordinate clause, and what that is doubtful. What he says is doubtful. So what he says is subordinate clause, and what kind of clause it is, how to identify. Ask question here, what is doubtful, and we are getting the answer what he says. So what he says is a noun clause. Next example: take what you want. In this sentence, take what you want. What you want is noun clause. Take what, ask question after the verb take what you want. So what you want is a noun clause, does the work of noun. How it does the work of noun? See, take anything or take a pen. In the place of pen I have replaced a clause, what you want. So it does the work of noun. Only in the place of word or phrase clause is used, that is noun clause. Very easy to understand. Next example: it depends on how he answers. How he answers, it depends on what? How he answers. How he answers is a noun clause. Next example: all went to see how the accident took place. In this sentence, what is subordinate clause? First, as soon as you get the sentence, identify subordinate clause, and subordinate clause always start with subordinating conjunctions. Which are the subordinating conjunctions? Because, if, as, whom, all WH words. So what is subordinate clause here? How the accident took place. Now how to identify it? Ask question after the verb what. All went to see what? how the accident took place. So does the work of noun, and it is giving answer to the question what after the verb of main clause. So it is what? Subordinate clause, and it is noun clause. It seems that she will come. Here, identify subordinate clause, that she will come. It seems what? Ask question after the verb. It seems what? That she will come. So that she will come is a noun clause. The news that he will not come was expected. Your main clause is broken, means the news was expected is main clause, and that he will not come is subordinate clause. The news was expected. Expected what? That he will not come, so it is noun clause. In this way, it's very easy to identify noun clauses. Just find out subordinate clause, before that or after before that main clause is there, find out verb, ask question after that what, and you will get the answer. Or it does the work of noun. Anyway you can identify. There are some conjunctions which help you to identify noun clause. In this way, if you practice more and more sentences from the any grammar book, you will try to find out these answers. You will try to find out difference between noun phrase, adjective and adverb clause phrase. Then how much you will practice, that much it will be easy for you to identify noun clause.
Please like, subscribe.